Hey music lovers, how would you like to earn money by just listening to your favorite tunes? Yes, it is possible. In today's video, we are exploring best apps that pays you by just listening to music. Stay tuned to find out how you can turn the love of music into a passive income. Welcome to our channel. If it's your first time to see this face on the internet, my name is called Moses Wamkota. I do post twice a week on tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so that any video that I'll be dropping on YouTube, you'll be the first one to be notified by YouTube. First up, we have Current Reward. This app rewards you for listening to your favorite music, and you can earn points that can be redeemed into gift cards and cash. Plus, there are additional ways in which you can earn money here on this app by completing surveys and watching videos. Current Reward is user-friendly and offers a wide variety of music genre to choose from. It is a good app that you get paid to listen to your favorite tunes. Now the next one on our list is called Slice the Pie. This app pays you to review new music tracks. You listen to a song, write a short review, and get paid. Now the more details your review is, the more you earn. Slice the Pie is perfect for music enthusiasts who love discovering new artists and sharing their thoughts on new tracks. Now moving on, let's talk about Music X-Ray. This app connects artists with the listeners who provide feedbacks for their tracks. You get paid for listening to a new song and give a honest opinion. Music X-Ray is a fantastic platform for discovering new artists and earning money at the same time. Another great app is called Hit Predictor. This app allows you to influence what songs get played on radio stations and clubs. You earn points for rating new songs, and these points can be redeemed into cash and prizes. Hit Predictor is ideal for those who want to have a say in future music while earning rewards. The next app is called RadioEarn. This app lets you to earn money by listening to online stations. The more you listen, the more you earn, and you can cash out this money via PayPal. RadioEarn is perfect for those who love listening to music while working or relaxing and want to make some extra cash. Playlist Push is another amazing app that pays you by giving your reviews. This app pays you to review and add songs to your playlist. If you have a popular playlist on a platform such as Spotify, you can earn money by including new tracks. Playlist Push is great for music curators and influencers looking to monetize their playlist. We Localize is perfect for those who want to combine their language skills with their passion for listening to music. An interesting app is called Cash 4 Minutes. This app pays you to listen to online internet radio stations during your free time. You earn credits that can be converted into cash or gift cards. Cash 4 Minutes is a simple and easy way to make money online in your spare time. Appany offers tasks that includes listening to audio files, transcriptions, and giving feedbacks. It is not strictly a music app, but you can find some tasks that involves music and audio. Appany is ideal for those who want a variety of tasks and flexible earning opportunities. QMe is another versatile app that offers various ways to earn money, including listening to music. You can complete surveys, shop online for additional earnings. QMe is a perfect ideal for those who want earning opportunities in one app. Aside from these fantastic apps, there are other platforms like Swaggerbug, Inbox Dollar, and Pack that also offers rewards for listening to music and completing various tasks. Each of these apps has got its own strength and benefits, so be sure to explore them too. Now to start earning with these apps, all you need is a smartphone and a reliable internet connection. With a little bit of your time, then you can start earning points which can be redeemed into real cash. Here are a few tips that you can use to maximize your earnings on these apps. Now the first one is you need to use multiple apps to maximize your earnings. The next thing that you need to do is that you need to be consistent and make listening your daily habit. And another thing that you need to do is that you have to take the advantage of referral programs to earn extra cash. And also always cash out your earnings once you reach withdrawal threshold. Because apps comes and apps goes. So you never know what may happen on these apps. So there you have it. The best apps to listen to music and get paid. Start downloading these apps today to turn your listening music sensation into a lucrative side hustle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit bell icon for more tips of making money online. Thanks for watching. Happy listening. God bless you. Bye.